So when you relate with a woman, keep it in mind that she's a woman. In fact, when you see a man insulting a woman, what do people say? Say, why are you talking like a woman? You don't even, you are a man, don't talk like that. Women have their own peculiarities. It is when you respect that peculiarity and handle them properly with a lot of carefulness and patience, wallah, you will enjoy them, because they can also be from the best of people you can relate with. That was why the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, he says, ad-dunya mata'. This dunya is a place of enjoyment, meaning that the bulk of what you find in it are things you enjoy. Wa khayru mata'iha al-mar'atu salihah. And the best of what you enjoy in this dunya, wallahi, ikhwa, is a righteous wife. If you have a righteous wife, he has called it, he has named it khayru mata'iha. The best of the things you enjoy in this dunya is a wife. If you don't have money, you will enjoy. If you have money, you will enjoy. If you are tall, you will enjoy. If you are short, you will enjoy. Why? You have a wife that is righteous. If you have a righteous wife, you'll be feeling like you are a king. You'll be feeling like a king. Why? You have a righteous wife. So women, if you now patiently handle them, and you have married a woman who is righteous, you help her to sustain her righteousness, so that you can be able to continue to enjoy her.